Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a super simple gardening project. We're going to be starting some sprouts. Most of you will be familiar with alfalfa sprouts or mung bean sprouts that you can buy from the supermarket, but it's very simple and very quick to make these at home. It's a great project that you can do with your kids, and it's a really good way to start to enter into the gardening world if you're new to gardening. So we've got some very simple things. We've got some seeds. This came in a pack of sprouting seeds. So we had mung beans, alfalfa, broccoli, and then like a mix of different seeds, but you can really do this with all different sorts of things. Lots of companies will sell seeds in bulk that you can use for seeds so that it ends up being a bit more cost effective, but you can get them in lots of different places, including Amazon. A friend bought these back from South Africa for me, so I'm really grateful to have these. And I've also got a sprouting jar, so it's just a plain glass mason jar, but it comes with this gauze lid. So it's got the gauze top, which allows you to rinse them with some water, and then the screw piece, and also a little stand. So you don't have to have all this equipment, but it just helps to make it really nice and simple. Very simply, I'm just going to open the corner of this, and I'm going to be doing broccoli this time. Broccoli has lots of health benefits, as you know, and seeds are no different. So I've added some water. You can give them a bit of a swirl and just leave this for a couple of hours. The seeds really start to activate in that water, and then you can drain it off and set it aside on the bench. Leave them in a sunny place where they get plenty of sunlight, and they will begin to germinate. Depending on the types of seeds that you're using, your sprouts will take maybe between 2 and 7 days. So I'm going to take you along this journey with me this time. I'm going to show you a daily update on how the seeds look, and then in a week or so we'll have a delicious salad. Day 1, we have rinsed our seeds with some fresh water, and as you can see, the very first few seeds have started to germinate. Day 2, as you can see, now most of the seeds have germinated, so we've got them all sprouting, but we don't have a lot of green just yet. So a couple more days and we'll be eating our broccoli sprouts. Here we are on day 3, and as you can see, most of the seeds have now all germinated. It's day 4 and we now have our sprouts. These guys are ready to eat. These are our broccoli sprouts. So they look really great, and we're gonna add these into some salads. I just love growing sprouts. It's such an easy way to begin growing some of your own food. You can do it inside, so you don't even need to have a patio or any pots to be growing plants outside. You definitely don't need a backyard, so it really makes it really easy for everyone to begin growing some of their own food. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this simple garden project. Let me know your favorite sprouts to grow at home, and if you've got the kids involved as well. I really appreciate all of your support. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe.